Oh my God. Are you crazy? Hey dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. You know, some people, so many of parents ask me, Amira, why doesn't my child take responsibility? Why doesn't my child listen to me? Why doesn't accept everything I tell? Why doesn't my child, oh God, blah, 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 blah. My child has to behave however I want. What? What? What are you talking about? Are you crazy? Sorry, but you are crazy. Do you want your child to grow, reach emotional maturity, and take responsibility? Do you even know what responsible and mature people look like? They don't listen to anyone blindly. They don't just blindly follow through someone. They don't. You know, someone who has not reached emotional maturity will blindly do whatever anyone they know, such as a friend, a leader, a teacher, parent tells them to do. And that's not good. You know, the person doesn't think about it at all, and this person doesn't accept when things go wrong. They blames others, and she or he, that person, keeps saying, oh, you said I did this because of what you said, or it happened because of you. God, what's wrong with you people? Is your child a puppet that has to do whatever you say? Are you the owner of that child? No. You want to force your child to do whatever you say in front of your friends, fake friends, neighbors, families, everyone. I know for what? For the sake of your fake reputation. Yeah, it's true. Come on, it's true. You are a dictator. Yes, you are. Yeah. You have to know your child is a unique, different person, wants to think, go his own way, have his own rights and wrongs. She or he wants to go her or his own way. I can see all of your questions here. My God. Your child got a different person. Someone who is responsible, has intellectual independence, has reached emotional maturity. This person will only listen to your suggestions, your opinions, not act on them blindly. They just listen to your advice and suggestions, opinions. That's it. That person has her or his own way, own thoughts. You have no right to say, because I give birth to you. In here, unfortunately, some parents say, because I gave you a dowry. Yeah, they tell, maybe you tell your poor daughter that you have to stay in life with this man we chose for you, even if he's not a good man. But he is a good man because he has a house and a car. Is your daughter, is your son, is your child your slave? Or you tell your son, because I bought you a car, you have to marry that same girl we chose for you. You even interfere in the areas of friends, clothes, job, field of study, everything. I know. Enough is enough. You know, even when the results, even when the results are bad, you say, oh, my child don't know anything. He or she such a stupid, just like her mother, just like his father. I know you. Yeah. God. So dear unique. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and write a comment for me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here and supporting me by watching and listening to my videos. Thank you. I love you. Bye.